Welcome to Morehead State University's Student Tutorial Series. In this video, we'll introduce new students to Blackboard, which is Morehead State University's online course management system. I will cover several topics, including where to find Blackboard, where to find your courses within Blackboard, how the course is laid out in general, and how to get help. To find Blackboard, you must first go to the My Morehead State portal. To do that, go to your browser and in the address bar type in my.moreheadstate.edu. You will see the login page. You will enter your MSU ID number at moreheadstate.edu and your Eagle password. Then click Sign In. Once you're in the portal, you will see a list of courses that you're taking. And also, you'll see on the right side a list of applications that are available to you. About midway down the page, you'll see Blackboard. Once in Blackboard, you'll see a block on the right side called My Courses. Here you'll see a list of all the courses you're enrolled in for the semester. If you don't see a course yet, don't worry. The first day of class, you should see your courses appear. To enter your course, click the title of the course you'd like to see. Inside each course, you'll see a similar layout. On the left side, you'll see the course navigation menu. Every time you click something on the course navigation menu, the content area over on the right will change. By default, you'll usually land on announcements. This is usually where your instructor will provide you just-in-time information, such as upcoming due dates, topics that are coming up, or different kinds of things they might want you to know very quickly. Be sure to check announcements every time you open the course, because new information may be provided. Additionally, you'll see some course tools that will be common amongst all of the online courses, such as My Grades, which is where you'll be able to see the grades you've received in the class. Email, which allows you to email not just your instructor, but also all of the users in the course without having to actually copy their email address and go to a different site. And MSU Live. Many instructors may want to meet with you online via WebEx, and this is a place where you would do that. Each course will be laid out differently. In this case, we have set up in weekly lessons. It may say something like an assignments or course documents. They may do a modular format. This menu will look significantly different in each course you have. It is all based on the style of the teacher. Within each course, you'll also see content areas. In this case, they're set up as weeks. If you click on each one, you may see something completely different. These are individual web pages. In this case, we have a course overview, which explains what the objectives are for the week and the to-do list. Here is where all of the content will be served, such as a discussion board, any videos or documents they would like you to do, assignments, tests, surveys, and many other options. Be sure to read everything on each of these pages in order to know what you need to do to be successful in the course. In some instances, your instructor may ask you to submit a document or to respond to a prompt. In cases like this, you should see the assignment icon. The assignment icon simply looks like a page with a fold in the top right corner. To complete the assignment, click the title, review the instructions, and submit your work. There are two ways to submit. First is to click Write Submission. You will receive a text box, in which case you can type out anything you'd like. There are even formatting options if you'd like to bring that over. Also, if you click the three dots on the right side, you get additional formatting options. To collapse this, simply click the three dots again. Additionally, you could put your files that you've created, such as Word files, by attaching them just like you would with an email. To do this, click Browse Local Files and locate the file on your computer and click OK, and then click Submit. If you encounter any technical issues, simply go to the My MSU link at the top and then scroll to the bottom and you'll see a block that says IT Help Desk. This is the phone number to reach the IT Help Desk and the email in which you can email them. Note that their operating hours are from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. If you need to see them in person, you can visit them in 111 Ginger Hall. Thank you for watching this tutorial and welcome to Morehead State University.